Here's how to fix the red screen on The Legend of Zelda Wind Waker HD Remaster on Wii U on the Emeralding RG557. On this menu, go to the top right corner and press the hamburger button. Find the graphics packs. On here, we're going to go ahead and find our game, which is The Legend of Zelda Wind Waker HD. Tap and go to Mods. On Mods, tap the Remove HUD HUD. Enable, just like that. Now let's go back to the game. The menu will look a little weird, but no problem. It'll fix the issue. There we go. And start the game. And here we go. So play a little bit here, see what we got here. There we go. There you have it. Don't forget to like and sub.